What's up guys, David Moss Jr. and I want to tell you a quick story about my contrast therapy journey. Now behind me you're going to see my plunge. This is an amazing cold plunge. You'll also see my infrared sauna. Now I turned this infrared sauna into a traditional sauna with a DIY kit that I posted where I use just a patio heater and it gets over 200 degrees, which is amazing. However, these two items are pretty expensive and most people don't want to go spend $10,000 on products just to do contrast therapy a few times a week. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about two products that I've been using and I've been recommending that will help you get contrast therapy in your backyard for cheap. Let's check it out. Well, first off, what is contrast therapy? Contrast therapy is simply going from extreme hot temperatures to extreme cold temperatures, contrasting and doing that in multiple rounds. Typically how it's done is a 10 to 20 minute sauna session in a hot sauna such as the sweat tent behind me, followed by a 1 to 5 minute cold plunge or ice bath session. And then you'll go from that heat to the cold, back to the heat, to the cold, back to the heat, and always finish cold. That is contrast therapy. The benefits of contrast therapy can include improved circulation, increased recovery, reduced inflammation, and the list goes on. Do a quick Google and check that out. I also have other videos where I go over the benefits in greater detail. But for this video, I want to show you the two tools that I recommend if you're looking to get hot and get cold to do that contrast therapy on a budget. So first we're going to talk about how I recommend getting hot, and this is on a budget. Now if you have a large space and you have an unlimited budget and you want something that's a little bit nicer, maybe made out of wood or something, I highly recommend Redwood Outdoors. They're an amazing sauna company. I actually have their barrel sauna at my other house that I'm yet to build because it's a construction site, but I'm super stoked to get that out there. But this video is for my friends who are on a budget and they want to be able to do contrast therapy the right way. So first I want to talk about how we can get hot with our contrast therapy on a budget. This is the sweat tent sauna. This is a portable sauna that you can take with you in like a backpack style pack. The tent literally folds down in seconds. It folds back up in seconds. It pops out. There's all these beautiful anchors so you can anchor it to the ground if you're in a high wind area. I'm not, so I don't ever have to put this thing in the ground. It sits right here on my back porch and is perfectly fine. You can put it on grass, you can put it on pavers, you can put it on a wooden deck, and it's totally fine because the heat rises and all the smoke is actually gonna go out that chimney up top. So inside is just radiant heat and it gets really, really hot. It took me about 15 minutes after I threw a few logs on this today for this thing to reach temperatures over 200 degrees. So I'm about to do a session in here, but I highly recommend if you're looking for a sauna for your backyard, I don't have a large yard, this is a great option for you under $1,500 and you can use my discount code. I'll have the link in the description. It'll save you even more money. Now they have a couple really cool options. They have a bench. I highly recommend getting the bench because it's rated for the heat and it's very comfortable and it gives it that nice little cedar smell. They also have a pail for water if you want to pour water over the rocks. It comes with the rocks. And there's a few other accessories that you might want to check out as well, which is really, really cool. I'm a big fan of the sweat tent sauna, and honestly, I didn't think I was gonna be, but I end up using this thing quite often. Now I want to tell you about two great options if you want to get cold for cheap. First is the Ice Barrel 300. Now this is the newest ice barrel and it's fully insulated from the base to the sides all the way to the lid. It's got a nice little seat and armrest inside and it's set up to where you could hook up a chiller if you want to do that. But what I love about this is you can actually do a traditional ice bath, and because it's insulated, it will keep that water cold for days. So you can get cold for under $1,200. The second option is the Ice Barrel 400. Now this is a little bit bigger, comes with a step stool to get up in there. It's made for bigger people like me, so you can get in there and get fully underwater as much as possible. Now it's not insulated, but you can do a traditional ice bath in there. You can also rig this up using one of my DIY methods, hooking up a chiller and getting cold, but you don't have to do that. What I love about the Ice Barrel product is one, they look really cool. Two, they were made for this. That's literally why they were invented, to make ice baths easy, accessible, and easy for all of us at home to do it. And Ice Barrel is offering a 10% off the entire order discount if you use my discount code MAUS, that's M-A-U-S, so feel free to use that. Sweat Tent is also offering a big discount, a huge discount if you use discount code MAUS at checkout. I'll put the links in the description below for both of these products if you want to check these out. But what I love is that you can do a traditional ice bath, you can do a traditional sauna. Both of these are easily portable too. You can take them with you anywhere you want. They're both extremely light and you can move them around if you want to take them to a campsite, if you want to take them to a workout, if you want to take them to a gym with you, if you just want to take them to your friend's house, you can. So as you can see, I use my ice barrels and I use my sweat tent. I highly recommend both these products if you're looking to get contrast therapy done at your house on a budget. I'll put links to both in the description below, so make sure you check those out. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have any questions about contrast therapy or any questions about these products, post those in the comments below. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, guys. God bless. So if you like this video and you want to learn a little bit more about contrast therapy, I highly recommend you check out this video right here where I explain the benefits of contrast therapy in detail.